Well folks, what we're doing today is over here at a friend of ours' house, cutting down some dead trees for him just to keep him from falling on something or somebody. So stick along for the ride. Missed that one. Oh well. Well folks, we're back from cutting down those dead trees, and right now we're fixing to load some logs that we have sitting around here that need to be cut up onto the sawmill skids. So we're going to record some of that for you. Stay tuned. So what we have now is, what I've loaded is, there is a log right there. It's pine behind this, and the rest of these are black walnut. I'm fixing to go over here and load up some oak. Well folks, that one was no good. Wood was soft on the inside, so we're not going to waste time with that one. Right now he's cutting off the end here to see if this one's any count. These logs have been sitting on the ground for kind of a while now, so hopefully there'll be some good wood in these other two, because that one right there was not good at all. That one did turn out to be good. size of this one, folks. Thing's heavy. Last one, folks. Pretty good stack over there. I promise that slow motion shot wasn't just gratuitous. We were trying to get some mud out of it. We kind of were afraid there might be some bees in it. Well, that wasn't the last one. That one we just dropped was hiding over in the bushes. This is the last one. Another black walnut log. Well, folks, that's going to be it for today. Got a good bit videoed. I hope y'all enjoy it. So at sometime in the near future, we're going to be sawing those logs you saw me putting up on the skids, and that'll be sometime down the road. But I'm going to call it a day because if you can tell out there, it started to rain, which I'm grateful for. We need it. But I'm going to head to the house and see you folks later.